Welcome to Lesson 3 week. Great job on your discussion boards and your papers. I want to encourage you to pray before starting online work since face-to-face students do this in class. This is a quote from Dieter F. Uchtdorf, and he says, "Taking time for each other is the key for harmony at home. We talk with rather than about each other. We learn from each other and we appreciate our differences as well as our commonalities." I thought this was a great little picture to say, in family relationships, love is really spelled time. Sometimes it is hard to give our time when we have so much going on with work, with our callings and our schooling, but we know that family is number one in our lives. Thank you for your history of nursing papers. I will be reviewing them carefully and getting them back to you as soon as I can. You will have the next couple of weeks to perfect them and make any corrections, and then begin on your next paper, which is the philosophy paper that will be due in Lesson 5. For the philosophy paper, read the Nursing Meta Paradigm and Chapter 12 to get information for your paper. This paper requires that you reflect about your own philosophy of nursing in regards to nursing, person, environment, and health. The paper needs to be in APA format. You don't need a reference page, as this is your own thoughts. Please read the instructions for this paper, as there will be a 10% reduction of grade if I have to send it back. This is not due until the week of Lesson 5. I have made a webcast for instructions for this paper, and you can find the webcast in the announcements. Read Chapter 3. This week we're going to learn about the characteristics of a profession and the steps from occupation to profession. We are also going to talk about nursing standards and our responsibility to the community. We will also learn about the different degrees of education for nurses to enter into the work field. And lastly, we will learn about gender issues and how the healthcare workers should be collaborating together to take care of the patient. For the discussion board this week, read the case study and answer at least 2 of the questions. Please remember, initial post is due Tuesday by 2300. If you do not post by 2300, then you will not get credit for your post. Your response needs to be 1 to 2 paragraphs. And in order to get full credit, you need to be involved in at least 2 conversations. And this is also due by Friday by 2300. Complete the Chapter 3 quiz. There are 10 questions on this quiz, and it is due Friday by 2300. Here's a little funny for the week. Good luck this week, and please let me know if you have any questions. I am here for you guys. And please remember that I have office hour Wednesday at 10 to 11 a.m. if you want to talk. Good luck this week.